How to fix Poko game app not working problem solve. Hello guys, welcome back to another brand new video. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix Poko game app not working problem solve. So before starting the videos, I would like to request you please to hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon. So without wasting much more time, let's get started. So as you can see here, let me just go to Poko, and then here you can see this type of interface will be pop up. And if we go to Poko, then here you can see network error. So to fix this problem, here let me explain you. First of all, the app is not exactly banned, but it's showing network error because of some bug issue on the Poko application. So to fix this, what you need to do, first of all, you just need to go to your phone settings. Okay, so after going to phone settings, so now what you have to do, you have to just scroll down here and you have to go to app management, or it will be written as app install apps or manage apps or app manager. So now just go to the list of the application which has been installed to your phone. You can see here these are the application. So now you have to search for Poko here. So you can search from here also, or you can search from search bar. So as you can see here, Poko, here simply tap on Poko and then this type of interface will pop up. So you just need to click on force stop button and then you have to stop the force. Now you hear that what the next thing you have to do is storage usage. Simply click on storage usage and then you have to clear the data as well as the cache. So after doing this, your Facebook will be logged out. So after this you have to again re-log in and then this problem might solve. So guys, just go back, and if it is not working again, then you have to go to Play Store. You have to go to Play Store and then sorry, where is the Play Store? To go to Play Store and then here you have to search for Poko and then make sure to update your application. So if it is updated, then it's okay. If it is not updated, then make sure to update it. And the last thing I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna say you, is that if it is again not working, then no need to worry, just wait for some time. This will absolutely solve after some days. So this is just a simple bug, so this is what you can do. Thanks for watching. See you soon on the next video.